Hector here with Frederick Chevrolet presenting the new 2020 Chevrolet Malibu. As you can see, this is a Premier Edition with the nice 19-inch tires, chrome accents throughout the vehicle. It's a shadow gray metallic with the light wheat interior. So let's take a look at the vehicle and see what you think. Here we have the nice chrome accents, sensors in the front for your forward collision alert. Here we have keyless entry as well as the side blind spot alert on the mirror and the lane alert for the opposite driver when you're driving. Now let's take a look at this beautiful interior that you'll find on the 2020 Chevrolet Malibu. Alright, so with the 2020 Chevrolet Malibu Premier, you'll get this nice, very beautiful, light wheat interior and dark atmosphere. So you'll see the two-tone throughout the vehicle. This will be your dark atmosphere and this will be your light wheat. This particular Malibu also comes with the all-weather mats as well. So when it comes to rainy weather or snow, it'll protect the carpets. You don't have a messy floor. Also has a nice panoramic sunroof to go with the vehicle and a lot of other features. Once again, this is a 2020 Chevrolet Malibu Premier 2.0 Turbo. Come in and check this out at Frederick Chevrolet under new ownership, veteran owned and operated, 1505 Clinton Road, Lebanon, Pennsylvania, 17042.